Saturday morning. You have 48 hours. By Sunday evening, you could have a live digital product on the internet, something that, over the next 90 days, generates $500 a month passively while you do other things. This is not a hypothetical. This is not motivational content. This is a step-by-step build guide, and I'm going to walk through every single step in real time. By the end of this video, you'll have a specific product idea, a production plan, and a launch strategy you can start executing before this video ends. If you've been waiting for the right time, this is the video. Saturday starts now. Welcome back to AutonomiLab. We've been building toward this video for weeks. We covered the $0 income system, the digital asset stack, how top performers think about AI. Today we get specific and tactical, we build something real. Here's the plan. Saturday morning is product selection and building. Saturday afternoon is GUMROAD setup and launch prep. Sunday is distribution and marketing. Let's go through each phase. The biggest mistake beginners make, trying to think of a product idea out of thin air. That produces generic products nobody buys. The right method is the problem-first framework. Here it is. Step 1, write down 3 topics you know more about than the average person. Not expertise. Just more than average. Examples: Notion organization, freelance pricing, content planning, healthy meal prep on a budget, writing faster with AI, managing a remote team. Step 2, for each topic, write down the top 3 frustrations people have with it. Not solutions, frustrations. The more specific and painful the frustration, the better the product. Example: topic equals Notion organization. Frustration A: I set up a Notion workspace and it becomes a mess within 2 weeks. Frustration B: I don't know how to set up a proper client tracker. Frustration C: I have no system for managing projects across multiple clients. Step 3, pick the frustration that has a clear, specific solution. Frustration B becomes, the ultimate freelance client tracker, Notion template. That's your product. The best first products are, Notion templates, Canva template bundles, PDF guides, AI prompt packs, or spreadsheet systems. They're buildable in a weekend, deliverable digitally, and require no inventory or shipping. Let me walk through building a Notion template, the highest demand category for first digital products in 2026. Step 1, set up your Notion workspace. Create a free Notion account. Start a new page. This will be the template itself. Step 2, build the core system. For a freelance client tracker, you need a client database, a projects database, an invoices tracker, and a task board. In Notion, each of these is a database. Spend 2 hours building clean, functional versions of all 4. Don't over-engineer. Clean and functional beats complex and impressive. The person buying your template wants something they can use immediately, not something that requires 3 hours of setup. Step 3, add a quick start guide. Add 1 page inside the template titled, Start Here, 5-minute setup. Walk the buyer through customizing the template for their own use. This page is the difference between a buyer who gets value and a buyer who asks for a refund. Step 4, test the template. Duplicate your own template page. Pretend you're a new user. Follow your quick start guide. Does it make sense? Are there any broken links? Fix everything. Test again. Step 5, make it a shareable template. In Notion, click Share, enable Share to Web, copy the duplicate link. This is the link your customers will use to add the template to their own Notion workspace. If you're building a PDF guide instead, write in Google Docs. Structure: Introduction, 5 to 7 main chapters, action checklist at the end. Keep it under 20 pages. Export as PDF. Done. If you're building an AI prompt pack, compile 30 to 50 prompts for a specific profession. Test every prompt. Format cleanly. Export as PDF. Go to gumroad.com. Create a free account. Click New Product. Give it a name, use your specific product name, the Freelance Client Tracker, Notion template. Under Content, upload your product file. For a Notion template, create a PDF that contains one page with the link and setup instructions. GUMROAD delivers this PDF to buyers who can then click through to the Notion duplicate link. Writing the product description, this is your sales page. Follow this structure. Line 1, the problem: if you're losing track of client deadlines, invoices, and project status across 3 different apps, this template fixes it in 20 minutes. The solution: the Freelance Client Tracker is a complete Notion system that centralizes every client, project, invoice, and task in one place. What's included? Bullet list, be specific. For linked databases. Pre-built dashboard. Quick start setup guide. Works on mobile and desktop. Who it's for: built for freelancers managing 3 to 15 clients across design, writing, development, or consulting. Social proof line: use this even at launch, designed based on the system I've used to manage my own freelance work for 2 years. Price: start at $14. Not $5, that signals low quality. Not $30, that creates hesitation for a first purchase. $14 is the psychological sweet spot for a first digital product. Cover image: create a simple product mock-up in Canva, show the Notion template on a laptop screen. Dark background. Clean. Professional. Click Publish. Your product is live. Anyone in the world can now buy it. Now you need to tell them about it. Distribution is where most people underperform. They list the product and wait. Waiting doesn't work. You need to push. Move 1, Reddit, highest quality traffic, free. Go to r/Notion, 500k members. Write a genuine text post, not an ad. Title: I built a client tracking system in Notion after losing 2 invoices and a deadline in the same week, sharing my setup. Write 300 to 400 words describing the problem you had, how you built the solution, what the key features are. At the very bottom, 1 line: if anyone wants the template, I packaged it up, link in my bio. Do not put the GUMROAD link in the post body, Reddit will remove it. Put it in your Reddit profile. People will find it. Move 2, Twitter/X thread. Post a thread: I spent my weekend building a freelance client tracker in Notion. Here's the system. Tweet 1, the problem. Tweet 2, database 1 and why. Tweet 3, database 2 and why. Repeat. Final tweet: I packaged the template. Link in bio for anyone who wants it. Add visuals, screenshots of the actual template. Move 3, YouTube short. Record a 45-second screen share of the template in action. No face required, just screen and voiceover. Here's the Notion template I use to manage all my freelance clients. I'm putting the link in my bio for free. Post to YouTube Shorts. Use title: Freelance Notion Template Walkthrough, free download. Move 4, Facebook Groups. Find 3 Facebook groups for freelancers, Notion users, or your niche. Post the same value-first content. Be genuinely helpful. Link to your GUMROAD product in your profile or at the post end. One product at $14 times 36 sales/month equals $504. That's 36 people, not thousands. In the first 30 days, with consistent distribution, 10 to 30 sales is realistic. That's $140 to $420 in month 1. Not $500 yet. Here's how you cross $500, add a second product in month 2. Your Reddit reputation is building. Your GUMROAD profile is gaining reviews. Your email list has 50 to 100 people who bought once and might buy again. Product 1 $14, 20 sales equals $280. Product $227, 10 sales equals $270. Total, $550 per month. 2 products. 30 total sales per month. That's achievable by month 2 for anyone who executes the distribution consistently. Saturday morning, pick your product using the Problem First framework. Saturday afternoon, build it in Notion, Canva, or Google Docs. Saturday evening, list it on GUMROAD with a problem-focused description at $14. Sunday, post on Reddit, Twitter, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook groups. That's the weekend. That's the build. The only thing left is to do it. Next week, 5 AI tools that pay for themselves in 30 days, with exact ROI calculations. Saturday. Subscribe. See you then. AutonomiLab. Build systems. Earn differently.